So this is our living room space. So this is your kitchen, and here you get a refrigerator space. So this is our spacious and luxurious third bedroom, which is the master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housing. In today's video, we are going to give you the sample flat tour of the spacious 3 BHK of Vijay Palladio, Kothurud Central, which is located at Pratik Nagar, Kothurud, Pune, developed by Vilas Zavadekar Developers. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project. Behind me is the sales office of the project, and besides the sales office is the land parcel of the project. But before I show you our sample flat, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform where it has connected its home buyers directly to the developers, giving you all a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you all genuine information, transparent pricing and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, giving you the project's overview, Vijay Palladio Kothurud Central will be constructed on 3.5 acres of land parcel, which will be consisting of 4 towers. Each tower will be having 3 basement plus ground plus 28 floors, which will be consisting of 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. Let me tell you about the location and the connectivity of the project. This project is located near Paud Road, Pratik Nagar, Gujarat Colony, Kothurud, Pune. As you can see, in front of this is Paud Road, जिसके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे वो आपको कनेक्ट करता है मुंबई सतारा हाईवे से, एंड राइट हैंड साइड पे आपको कनेक्ट करता है शिवाजी नगर से. जिसमें आपको कनेक्टिविटी मिल जाती है वनाज मेट्रो स्टेशन विच इज़ विद इन 550 मीटर्स, मुंबई सतारा हाईवे विच इज़ विद इन 3 किलोमीटर्स एंड डी मार्ट विच इज़ विद इन 3.4 किलोमीटर्स. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं इस प्रोजेक्ट के अमेनिटीज़ के बारे में. दिस प्रोजेक्ट हैज़ ओवर 30+ लग्जरियस अमेनिटीज़ सच एज क्लब हाउस, जकूजी, स्विमिंग पूल, मल्टीपर्पज हॉल, प्रोजेक्टर रूम, fitness studio and many more. So, as you can see, I am standing at the entrance of our spacious 3 BHK sample flat which has 1257 square feet carpet area. तो जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, आपको entrance पे ही 2 doors मिल जाते हैं. One is the safety door and one is the main door, and you get a digital door lock on your safety door. You also get a video door phone. Now coming to the entrance's lobby, here you get your decorative items and shoe rack setup space. Now let me show you the living room and dining space. But before I show you that, let me show you the first bedroom of the sample flat as it is based on butterfly concept. So this is the first bedroom of your sample flat. Here you get your bed setup space. Then you get an attached guest washroom to it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. You also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles and 3-side cover. Now, let me show you our living room and dining space. So this is our living room space. Here you get a couch setup space, and this is where you get your TV unit space. You also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles and is 3-side cover. This balcony is also connected to your guest bedroom's balcony. Now let me show you the best part of this sample flat, which is the puja and the mandir space. It is a separated space where you can set your puja and mandir up. Now let me show you our dining room space. So this is your dining room space where you can set your dining table up and enjoy your lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now let me show you the kitchen of this sample flat. So this is your kitchen, And here you get a refrigerator space to set your fridge up. You also get 2 granite platforms parallel to each other, a sink attached to it, a dry balcony attached to it where you get washing machines and utilities to set up, windows attached to it for ventilation and natural sunlight, and you also get another sink at your dry balcony. Now let me show you the second bedroom of this sample flat. But before I show you that, we get a common wash basin here and also a common washroom with it, where you get anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. So this is the second bedroom of your sample flat, where you get your bed setup space and an attached window to it for ventilation and natural sunlight. And here you get your wardrobe setup space. Now before I show you the third bedroom, that is the master bedroom of this flat, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey provides you with actual location tour, sample flat videos, pros and cons of the project, payment schemes, EMI schedules and 360-degree location tour. All this just under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today and do visit www.housey.com and register now for free and book your site visit today. Now let us check out the third bedroom, which is the master bedroom of this sample flat. So this is our spacious and luxurious third bedroom, which is the master bedroom, and at the entrance you get the attached master washroom to it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. Here you get your bed setup space, your TV unit space and an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles and is 3-side cover. And here you get your wardrobe setup space and an attached window to it for ventilation and natural sunlight. So this was the sample flat tour of the spacious 3 BHK of Vijay Palladio Kothurud Central, which is located at Pratik Nagar, Kothurud, Pune, developed by Vilas Zavadekar Developers. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com today and book your dream house.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.